For this problem, we're going to have 4 solutions because the highest degree is 4, but we're going to use substitution to work with it in a quadratic form. So I'm going to take the smaller one here and let u equal x squared. Well, if I double each of those terms, I get x to the 4th and u squared. So now what I'm looking at is I can replace x to the 4th with u squared. Minus 10, I can replace x squared with just a u, plus 9 equals 0. Now this looks like a problem I'm used to solving. So I'm going to factor this as u minus 9 and u minus 1. And then I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. U minus 9 equals 0 and u minus 1 equals 0. Here's the part that we really need to focus on. Once I break it down to setting each factor equal to 0, I'm going to substitute what u is. So I'm going to say x squared minus 9 equals 0 and x squared minus 1 equals 0. Now I just have to solve. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Take the square root of each side, so x is plus or minus 3. Which means x equals 3 is a solution and x equals negative 3 is a solution. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides on this next problem. Take the square root of each, so x becomes positive and negative 1, which means x equals 1 is a solution and x equals negative 1 is the second solution. So we have a total of 4 solutions. Let's try that same idea again. My smaller one, so I'm going to let u equal x plus 1. If I double each piece, x plus 1 squared, that means u squared. Now I can do some substitution. This is u squared minus 8u minus 9 equals 0. I'm going to factor. So in this case, I have u minus 9 and u plus 1. Set each factor equal to 0. U minus 9 equals 0. U plus 1 equals 0. And let's go ahead and do our substitution for u. This would be x plus 1 minus 9 equals 0. This one right here would be x plus 1 equals 0. So now I'm going to solve those two pieces. So I have like terms. I have x minus 8 equals 0. Add 8 to both sides, so x equals 8. Like terms again. So I have x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2 to the other side, and x equals negative 2. So I should have 2 answers because my highest degree is 2.